Welcome back to day 10 of my 30 days one-stroke painting series. Today, I'm creating 3 different floral compositions using the basic flowers I practiced earlier in day 4. For the first composition, I'm using Cobalt Blue, Titanium White, Yellow Green, and Sap Green. First, I start with the liner brush number 2. Using yellow green, I paint the main stem and small twigs to create the hanging structure. To get the hanging effect, I turn my paper upside down. Now, I switch to a flat brush number 8. And I load my brush with titanium white and cobalt blue. I begin painting the flowers, starting with a fully open flower, then moving to a semi-open flower, and finally closed buds. I'm creating these compositions using the basic flowers I practiced earlier in day 4. This variation helps create a natural flow and depth in the composition. Now I start painting leaves using round brush number 9, by loading both the greens at once. Create these leaves in one stroke, using round brush technique. For the second composition, I use titanium white and crimson. With the flat brush number 8, I start building the flowers. To understand this technique step by step, I recommend watching the entire series starting from day 1, where I cover all the basics. Once the flowers are painted, I use a deer foot brush to add the centers using cadmium yellow, and then I finish with a touch of white highlight. Next, add leaves, using yellow-green, sap green and cadmium yellow. I balance the composition by placing flowers and leaves carefully, so it looks full but not overcrowded. Finally, I add few details using liner brush. For the third composition, I focus on a blue color theme. Using cobalt blue and light blue, I paint bold, rose-like flowers that stand out on the dark background. Then, using light green and sap green, I add leaves here and there to enhance the overall balance and finish. This is a great exercise to learn how to turn simple practice elements into complete artworks. All these flowers are chosen from my Day 4 basic flower practice, where I painted 10 different flowers. From those, I selected 3 flowers and created these 3 compositions today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in day 11.